Advanced role of CFO in the various matters, including value creation. What is the advanced role of CFOs? So, traditional main role of CFOs to concentrate wealth maximization of shareholders. So, they want to increase the shareholder wealth. If they invest 1,000 rupees, they want a dividend. At the same time, they want to increase the value of the share. That is the main objective of this traditional CEO's role. However, the current scenario, globalization and growth in information communication technology, responsibility CFO has drastically expanded. The role has been advanced in the following area: risk management, supply chain, mergers, acquisition, corporate restructuring, environment, social governance. There's a CFO's relationship role in the value creation organization. So what are they saying? You see, risk management. So they put to invest money, that money should earn more. So they're managing the money. Supply chain, product in, product out. So they want to search for this raw material. They want to see what is the suppliers. They want to send the finished goods. Everything they hold on. The mergers, they want to comply with the mergers. They want to see which companies are making losses, so we acquire them so that we can use their losses and don't pay taxes. Acquisition, this they have some technology, they can use the technology, they have some assets. Corporate restructuring, so corporate psychology we should need to use. Environmental, social, economic. What is the environment, what is the social, what is the market is doing, what is the global, which has a low tax, which has high tax, which has a low cost employees, which country has the low cost transportation, everything they see. So these are the advanced role of CFO actually.